Unlike the vaults you see in the movies that contain bricks of gold or massive stacks of cash, Rewind's vault houses something even more valuable: your account's data. In this video, we're going to cover 3 key topics to understanding your vault. The first being, how does Rewind back up your data? Then, we'll move on to using the filters to find your data. And lastly, viewing the file versions. Let's start things off with how Rewind backs up your data. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're new to Rewind or you've been a long-time customer and thought, hey, maybe I should get familiarized with how this works. For all of our plans, Rewind runs a backup every day, but that doesn't mean we create a new version of every item every day. Otherwise, your vault would be filled up with redundant identical versions of a single item. Instead, we take a new backup whenever a change is made. You can think of it as though we're taking snapshots of your whole account that day to put them into a photo album. At this point, you might be thinking, well, what does that mean then? It means that pulling up an item in your vault may appear to have gaps in the backup history, but don't worry, we still have every version backed up. The gaps just mean it wasn't changed at all between the dates. Next, let's dive into using the filters to find your data. At first glance, the vault can appear like a big jumble of information. So, to make matters easier, we've created a filter to help you narrow down your search. Here's how to use it. If you need to restore something, finding what you lost is the first step to getting it back. We back up all your data on an individual level. So, if you deleted a customer or made an unwanted change to your theme, you can use the vault to find the individual backup file you need and restore it without compromising any other data. In all individual restorations, you need to know 2 things. 1, what you lost or changed, and 2, when it was last intact or in your preferred state. This means if you deleted a customer by mistake, the what is the customer file, and the when is a backup date from before you deleted it. When you log into the Rewind app, you should be on the main vault page with the All Items tab selected. From here, click the Filters button. In this view, you can see all the types of backup files you might need to search for. For our example of an accidentally deleted customer, the filter shows that I have selected Customer from the file options and then selected Deleted Content since this customer was deleted. When I click Apply, it will display a list of all customers that have ever been deleted. If you want to narrow it down even further, you can select a date range from when you think the item was deleted or changed. Now that you've found what you're looking for, the next step is viewing the file versions. When looking at the versions, you can see basic information about the current and selected version. However, if you want more information, the source code view is a good place to look. Raw data will appear for both the current version and selected version. Keep in mind that on the selected version side of things, you'll see lines of data highlighted in green. These green lines represent the changes that have been made between the 2 versions. Now that you found the correct version, the only thing left to do is restore it. Be sure to check out our other videos on how to perform a restore. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team via chat or email, and they'll be happy to assist.